Hey everyone. So we all know 2020 has been a crazy, insane year. So I just wanted to make a little video to remind you guys to try to be your best selves when you're around your families this week. We know some families are tough to deal with, and all families know how to trigger us into acting like the worst versions of ourselves. And they say it's because your family can always push your buttons because they were the ones that installed them in the first place. And I think there's a lot of truth to that. But all that programming, those old wounds, the scars, and unspoken feelings can easily turn what should be a day of love and connection into just another reminder of why you don't see your family as often as maybe your heart might want to. So this year, try to be more conscious about those things so that you're a little more tolerant. And remember, everyone is trying to do their best, even if a lot of the time someone else's best still leaves you feeling pretty disappointed. This year, turn Thanksgiving into a social freedom exercise by challenging yourself to be less reactive to the opinions and judgments of other people, including your family. Remember, opinions are like assholes. Everyone's got one, and they all stink, including yours. So try not to let a simple opinion feel like a death sentence. It's only some thoughts and words. If you need some tools to help prepare you for a potentially difficult conversation, then we suggest Googling about nonviolent communication and other methods for de-escalating confrontation. We'll put a link to one of our favorite seminars in the subject or the end of the video or wherever, you know where links go. You'll find it. Happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe. Cheers.